So, you want to lose weight, but you're overwhelmed by all the conflicting information on the internet? Well, by clicking on this video, you've just made the best decision in your weight loss journey. I'm going to take you through everything you need to know to start shedding those pounds step by step. From workouts to nutrition and even supplements, I've got you covered. I'm about to break down the entire process of losing fat and toning up step by step in a way that anyone can follow. Stick around, because missing any part of this video might leave you lost and confused again. The first step is simple. Just go to the gym or start working out at home. I know you might feel a little self-conscious walking into a gym filled with people who already seem to be in great shape, but trust me, no one is judging you. Most people are too focused on their own progress to care about what you're doing, and if you ask for help, you'll probably make their day. Gym goers love to share what they know with others, and if you feel more comfortable with someone by your side, find a friend to work out with. It could be a newbie like you, or someone who's already on their own fitness journey. If you want more tailored help, you could hire a personal trainer or just subscribe and follow this channel where I'll be dropping gems, secret tips, and hacks in every video for free. So, you made it! You're at the gym or ready for your home workout, but now you're unsure of what exercises to do. I get it. There's a lot of information out there. But here's the thing. As a beginner, you don't need to worry about complex routines. Just stick to the basics. Listen up, because this is important. You don't need to copy some influencer's exotic exercises from TikTok. Focus on simple, proven movements that burn calories and improve your fitness. Forget the 30-day magic transformations. They're mostly marketing gimmicks. What I'm going to show you today is real sustainable progress. Now that we've got the fluff out of the way, I'm going to give you a full workout plan designed specifically for beginners who want to lose weight. This plan focuses on total body movements that burn the most calories, improve metabolism, and build a solid foundation of strength and endurance. If you master these basics, you'll be well on your way to your weight loss goals. This workout plan is split into Workout A, Workout B, and an active rest day. You will do Workout A on one day, followed by Workout B the next day, followed by an active rest day where you will just go for a brisk walk. I want you to stick to this for at least 3 months. No need for isolated, fancy exercises right now. Your focus should be on full body movements that get your heart rate up and burn fat. Once you've built a foundation and routine, you can move on to more advanced things. Workout A, full body. In this workout, we're going to focus on exercises that hit the major muscle groups and burn a ton of calories. Here's what you'll do. Exercise 1, squats. 3 sets of 10 reps with 30 seconds rest between sets. Exercise 2, push-ups. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, or modified push-ups if needed with 60 seconds rest between sets. Exercise 3, lunges. 3 sets of 10 reps per leg with 60 seconds rest between sets. Exercise 4, plank. 3 sets. Hold each plank for 30 to 60 seconds with 60 seconds rest between sets. Exercise 5, mountain climbers. 3 sets of 30 seconds with 60 seconds rest between sets. Each of these exercises engages multiple muscle groups, helping you burn more calories in less time. And the best part, you don't need any fancy equipment. Workout B, cardio focused. Incorporating cardio is essential for weight loss, so here's what Workout B looks like. Remember to take 60 seconds of rest between each set. Exercise 1, jump rope. 3 sets of 1 minute, or jog in place if you don't have a rope. Exercise 2, burpees. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Exercise 3, high knees. 3 sets of 30 seconds. Exercise 4, jumping jacks. 3 sets of 30 seconds. Exercise 5, bicycle crunches. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. These exercises will skyrocket your heart rate and turn your body into a fat-burning machine. And finally, rest day, active recovery. Just go for a 30 to 60 minute brisk walk. And don't forget to warm up. You don't need to spend forever on it, but do at least 5 to 10 minutes of dynamic movements like arm circles, leg swings, or marching in place. This gets your blood flowing and prepares your muscles and joints for the workout. And of course, cool down with some stretches to keep your body limber and reduce the risk of injury. Now let's talk about nutrition. I know you've probably heard all about macros, micros, carbs, and fats, but you don't need to complicate things. The most important thing for weight loss is staying in a calorie deficit. This means consuming fewer calories than you burn. Here's a simple rule. don't get too technical. Focus on eating unprocessed foods, less sugar, and getting enough protein. Protein helps keep you full longer, so you'll be less likely to overeat. Aim for 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, and spread it across 3 to 5 meals per day. Now, how do you figure out how many calories to eat? Use the calorie calculator I have linked in the description and pinned comment. Don't worry, it's free and there's no email required. Input your info, age, height, weight, etc. This will tell you your maintenance calories per day. From there, subtract about 300 to 500 calories per day to start losing weight. No need to starve yourself. Slow and steady wins the race. Progression is the path to perfection. Now, what about supplements? For weight loss, you don't need to buy into all the fat burners and miracle pills. If you want to use supplements, stick with the basics: protein powder and maybe creatine if you want to improve your performance. Fat burners are mostly a waste of money. They won't replace the work you need to put in with your diet and exercise. And remember, progressive overload isn't just for muscle gain. You'll also need to challenge yourself to get better and burn more calories. Gradually increase the intensity of your workouts every 3 to 4 weeks, whether that means doing more reps, increasing the weight, or adding more sets. Consistent improvement is key. Track your workouts, either in an app or in a notebook, so you can see your progress. And take note of how your clothes fit as time goes on. This will help keep you motivated and ensure that you're pushing yourself to get better every few weeks. But here's something else most people don't realize. All that effort you put into your nutrition and workouts can be totally sabotaged by a common mistake. What is it? Rest. I've met a lot of people at the gym. They'd work out like a machine and follow overly strict diets every day, but complain they're still not losing weight. When I ask them about their recovery, they say something like, "Oh, I'm too busy for rest days or sleep." That's exactly the problem. Imagine trying to drive a car without ever refueling it. No matter how fast or far you go, if you don't refuel, you're going to stall out. Getting enough sleep is just as important as everything else. You must prioritize sleep, even if it means you'll have to skip scrolling through social media tonight. Here's the reality. Your muscles grow and your body recovers during rest, not during the workout itself. You need around 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, and at least 1 rest day per week. No shortcuts here. Recovery is where the magic of all your hard work happens. So there you have it, a complete guide to get you started on your weight loss journey. Stick to this plan, and I promise you'll see results. If you still have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. And if you've got a friend who's also struggling to lose weight, send them this video. And remember, progression is the path to perfection. Now get out there and be your own hero.